Hey everybody, Jason here, getting ready to show you where we've left off with the 61 bug chassis build. We've gotten the pans, new pans welded in. We've got the chassis sealed with POR 15 and everything's been seam sealed. I've got video work on that already done, so you can go back and check that out if you haven't seen that yet. Today what I'm going to cover is we're going to go through and put some sound deadener on. And I've done a video on a product that I love to use called Kill Mats that I want to introduce you to again and show you how I use it, how I apply it, how I put it down. And so we'll begin to walk through that process with you starting now. So see you soon. Okay, so like I've said, I've used this product in the past called Kill Mat. And I freaking love this product. It is one of the better sound deadeners that I've used on these bug chassis builds. There are a lot of other products out there. I have a video on this already on basically doing a product review on the Kill Mat product itself. But today what I want to show you is how to lay this product down. Like I said, there's other product out there. You can use whatever you want on this. I choose to use Kill Mat. What I would do is be careful when you go to order this stuff. You can get it on Amazon, but make sure that you order the one that has the 50 square feet box, and it's likely the same price as less product available. They carry these in different box sizes, but they charge the same amount, so just be careful about how many square feet you order. I like the 50 square feet because I can use it for a lot of different products. So the tools that I'm going to need to do this job are pretty simple. So I need a box of Kill Mat. I've actually already dug in to this box already and used a little bit, but I think I've got plenty to do the entire chassis. And all I'm going to focus on here is the top side. I want to wrap the tunnel. I want to lay down the entire floor pan. And I'll go on the passenger side, I'll go up to the battery tray and back. I don't put any down on the battery tray itself where the battery sits, but basically we'll cover this whole thing. Now what I love about this product is it's really simple to use. I'll try to show you here as I'm kind of doing this one-handed, but there's a backing tape here that you can peel and lay down. It's like a tar-based backing, but it sticks really well to this POR 15. And the nice part about it is it's really easy to cut. So the only other thing you need is a good box knife, or a cheap box knife. I use this. It's a little easier for me to grip, but just get a really sharp blade in there. And then all we're going to do is I'm going to start, and let me move this around for a second. I'm basically going to start in one corner and work my way around, and then I can cut this line that follows the pan. I'm not going to cover up the holes. In fact, be careful here, you've got the brake stop hole. You don't want to cover that up, so you can actually cut that out if you want. But you can go through and cut this product to fit your needs. Hang on to the remnants that you cut off just in case you need it again for other small sections that you want to cover up. A good way to start is to start with the tunnel. And you can start working this product around on the tunnel and then cut it on the other side, and kind of work at it just a little by little. And again, remember, you don't want to cover any of this stuff up here because you're going to need to run all your cables and such as well. So basically, I'm going to start with the tunnel and the floor pans and work my way through this. And before you know it, probably after my little time-lapse video that we do, we'll have an entire chassis covered with sound deadener and Kill Mat. Now this product is pretty cheap compared to competitor type sound deadeners. There's a lot of other product out there, and it can get really expensive fast. There's also some really cheap products out there that's like a roofing material. But go back and check out my other video on the Kill Mat review, and that'll definitely give you a better look into why I choose the product and how much it is and all that stuff. So hopefully you check that video out too. So all right, stay tuned. We're going to put this on time lapse so you can kind of see as I'm laying this all out, and I'll come back to you with a finished product. So see you in a little while. Have I said at all in any of my videos how much I love this product? There she is. Sound deadener all laid down. This kill mat is so easy to work with. Trim's nice, it's easy to lay down. I can fill gaps. You can see here, just easily cut out small sections just with a box knife. And there she is, ready to go. I want to point out that I left this area open. Obviously we've got the accelerator cable tube that goes here, the opening for your brake pedals and the brake stop. I left all that open, and there's a pretty strong chance I may have to cut this back even just a little bit more. What I've found in the past is that when you install your brake pedal cluster, the bottom side of it catches on the kill mat, so you have to cut it out anyway. So I'll just kind of, as I get ready to go mock that up, if I have to cut it, then I'll cut it. No big deal. So there you go. Kill mat's done. And now all that's left here, there's a lot left, but all that's left is to start putting new parts in. So glad you guys stuck with me here to watch this video. Another video will come shortly on basically assembling the chassis at this point now. There's a strong possibility I may Raptor line the bottom side of this. I'm debating it at the moment. So if I do, I'll make sure I record that. But right now, this is ready to go. If you even got this far with that and you were ready to move on to starting to assemble, you're good to go. I've gotten this far with no Raptor lining or Rhino lining, anything, and this is still good to go. So thanks for tuning in, and hope you are subscribing and watching these videos as they come out. Again, still a lot more to go on this, but I'll continue to document it along the way. So thanks for watching, and catch you next time.